I'm Katie. I'm going to show you a video on how to do your eyeliner for young, refreshed, beautiful eyes, and I'm going to show you also how not to wear your eyeliner. So stay tuned. It's honestly been a while since I've been able to film a video. I've been busy traveling and on the road with work and busy mom and working life. So I know that a lot of you can relate. So I'm so glad to be here with you this evening, filming this video on some how-to beauty tips. Let's jump right in. Right now, I have on just mascara. I have on a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, but I took off the eyeliner that I had so that we could have a nice clean slate and I could start over and show you how you want to wear your eyeliner in a way that's very complimentary, very beautiful for your eyes. It's very simple. No, you don't have to be a professional to do this. We're gonna start with a very simple brush, an eyeliner brush. I don't know if this is exactly an eyeliner brush, but you want to get a brush that has a very fine tip like this, just a very fine tip so that you can work the eyeliner into your lash line. So I'm going to start on the right eye, how you should wear your eyeliner, and then on the left side I'm going to show you how not to. And I'm going to do a pencil eyeliner, and then I'm also going to do it with a liquid liner as well. So let's get started and I'll show you how. On my right eye, I'm taking a pencil liner, and this is what you want to do. This is literally a brown eyeliner pencil that I bought from Walgreens, and I like to wear brown, especially during the day, because it gives a softer look. It's not as dramatic or as harsh as black, although I do think that you can wear a black eyeliner. I just wouldn't recommend it necessarily for the daytime or if it's not blended well, and I'll show you exactly what I mean next. So we're going to take our brush and we're going to use it on the top part of the eyeliner and get a good bit of product on the brush. Now you want to already have applied your mascara. You don't have to. I like to do that because it kind of shows you what your end look is going to look like. You're going to take your product and you're going to work it in to your lash line. So what this does is it creates more of a soft look for your eyeliner, and it makes the eyes look younger and more awake and more beautiful rather than have a harsh line. And if you want, you can go out to the end of your lash line. You can take that pencil up, and this pencil is well loved, and you can kind of cat eye it up at an angle towards the end of your brow. And that's okay, it's just your preference on what you want to go for. And literally, that's it. This is what I would wear on a regular basis to work or out during the day. Also take a little more product, or you can use what you already have, and you can apply it to the lower lid, and you just work that product into your lower lash line. And I usually stop about mid lash line. I don't bring it all the way over. I just stop down there. That's a quick, simple, easy way to do a beautiful, it's an easy, quick way to do a natural looking, soft eyeliner. We're gonna move right on to my left eye, and I'm gonna show you what not to do with your eyeliner. I'm gonna take just a black, I rarely use this eyeliner, it's a black NARS charcoal eyeliner. And I'm just gonna take this on my other eye, Going to smudge it. I'm going to draw a thick line. I'm going to go all the way over here and make a thick line. And I'm going to come over here. And then I'm also going to take this under. And I'm going to draw it all the way across to my inner eyelid corner. And make sure, you know, that I connect the sides. And this is what you don't want to do. You can see that my right side, my eye is being drawn upward, so it creates an uplift on the eye. On my left side, my eye is being pulled down by this line, and my eye looks smaller. It looks closed. So this is what you don't want to do with your eyeliner. So this is what you want to do, and this is what you don't want to do. Just remember this. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my eyeliner off. All right, guys, I'm back. So now I'm going to show you how to wear liquid eyeliner versus how not to wear liquid eyeliner. I have a felt tip liquid liner here. So you can see on my hand, I have a felt tip liner. These are the best kind to buy, in my opinion. For your liquid liner, they're just easier to control, and they deposit the right amount of a product for your eye. My right eye, I tried to get the other liner off as good as I could. So this is how I would apply a liquid liner. Instead of pushing the pen directly onto your lid, I like to go in sideways and sort of drag it across my lid. So I start on the inner corner and I get as low to the lash line as possible. Okay, I start over here. And I start with a really thin line and I drag it to the outer corner and I fill in as I go a little bit. And then as I get to the outer edge, I start to wing it up just a little, just enough. You can see I kind of messed up, and that's okay. It takes some practice with liquid liner for sure, so just be kind to yourself and remember it's not that deep, it's just makeup. So I'm gonna, and I like to go back and sort of perfect my line if I can. And this is the part where it gets a little tricky, because if you really go heavy and try to correct your line, you can really mess up. But remember, there is no permanent mess ups, nothing's written in stone. You can always go back and start over. But I take my pencil and I just try to even out any lines that I've made. And then on the outer wing, I go in and perfect that a little more as well. You can just take a Q-tip and go in and adjust as needed. So my right eye is how I would apply liquid liner. I'm going to show you on my left eye how you do not want to apply your liquid liner. You don't want to, and I'll be careful saying how you don't want to do. It depends on the look that you're going for. I think that liquid eyeliner is more of a dramatic look. So if that's what you're going for, if you're going out at night and you have a look you're going for, by all means, please wear whatever you want. Wear it the way that you want. I'm just showing you how I prefer to wear it for work or for more of a daytime look, really. And this is the way that I would not apply it. You don't want to take this and use it directly, like point it in your eye like you're poking yourself in the eye with a pencil. And then draw up like that, and then come over here and get you a big old wing, and then come over here and fill that in, and basically like you're just painting in a big paint by number. And the weird thing is I kind of like this actually, but I wouldn't wear it as to work or to a meeting or to any serious event. This is how I would not wear a liquid liner unless I was going to some sort of cocktail event where I had full dramatic hair and dramatic lashes. Typically would not wear it like this for work. So to show you some tips on how to apply your eyeliner in ways to make you look beautiful and fresh and awake. Thank you for tuning in to my channel and for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned. I have some really cool video ideas coming up on some product reviews and some how-tos and some live demonstrations. So thanks so much again. Let your light shine, and I'll see you next time. Bye.